Hey guys, Simply Colie here, and I am so excited to have a new video. Yay! So I definitely apologize that this video is kind of weird. Instead of doing like a normal unboxing, because I've literally unboxed it 4 separate times, and I threw the boxes away before I looked at the footage, so I don't even have the boxes anymore. I will go ahead and just show you guys what I got in like a super quick way, and you guys can just see what it has been Ipsy in the past 3 months. And I definitely promise, starting this month, I will have the August box and bag just as a regular video. If you want to check out any of my other unboxings to see how I typically do it, you can definitely do so in the eye. I don't know which side it is, but you can check that out. And also, if you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so excited. I love YouTube, to be honest. I just watch it all the time. I don't even have like TV, I just watch YouTube. But I love it so much, and I love having something creative that I can do myself. And so I'm just so excited to get back into it, and I truly appreciate everyone that has subscribed and watched that video that's like popular. And by popular, I just mean like for me, but like I'm so excited. So I appreciate you guys. So let me just show you what I got. So much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, so sorry that, you know, it's like a weird video, but maybe this is faster, because honestly, when I had filmed it, it was going to be like a 40-minute video. So maybe this is better. You get to see everything super quick, and maybe that's for the best. So definitely, if you like unboxings, if you like anime, if you like makeup product reviews, if you like, I don't know, hair, I've got all kinds of crazy stuff on this channel. If you like general nonsense, definitely stick around and check it out. I definitely will have more reviews and things coming up soon. And I thank you guys so much. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be so awesome. And I'll see you guys next time.